Now we know that the frequency has been divided into the subcarriers. The next question that arises in our mind is that what is the modulation scheme that we are going to use on these subcarriers? So if the channel conditions are favorable, this means that if there are very low bit errors on the channel, for example, mobile station or user equipment is very near to the base station and it is receiving a powerful direct line of sight signal, then in that case we can go up to 256 uh, quadrature amplitude. We can use up to 256 quadrature amplitude modulation scheme. And in the case of 256 quadrature amplitude modulation scheme, the number of bits per symbol that we can transmit, it is log 2 of 256, or it is 8 bits per symbol that we can transmit. So this means that the data rate of this mobile would be very high. But if this mobile moves away from the base station and if there are obstacles that are in between them, then we have to downgrade the modulation scheme. We may use, for example, 64 QAM, or if the channel is more bad, then we can use 16 QAM. But in this case, in the case of 64 QAM, we have 6 bits per symbol, and in the case of 16 QAM we have 4 bit per symbol. So we are using 16 QAM here because 16 QAM is more robust to the bit errors or the symbol errors on the channel as compared to when we talk about the 256 QAM. So 256 QAM is used under the good conditions, and the lower modulation schemes are being used when the channel conditions are not